Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about problem solving involving rational algebraic equations. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about problem solving involving rational algebraic equations. Problem. If the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 over 5, find the number. So, paano natin gagawin itong problem na to? Sabi sa problem, okay, if the difference. So, from the word difference, ito yung answer sa subtraction. Di ba? So, if you are thinking now, two numbers na merong minus sign sa gitna between a number. So, a number, we don't know what's that number. Okay? Sinabi lang niya a number. So, let's say that that number represented as x. So, this is our number. Okay? So, this is the representation of our number. And then, and its reciprocal. Sabi niya, ano ba ang kabaligtaran ng x? Or ano ba yung flip ng x? Or yung reciprocal ng x? And that is 1 over x. So that is the reciprocal of x. The x has a reciprocal of 1 over x. Okay? Is 24 over 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung difference daw ng x and 1 over x is 24 over 5. So, we will find now a number or that number yung nasa yung anong number kaya itong x na to para makakuha tayo ng difference na 24 over 5. Okay, let's have this one. So let x be the required number and 1 over x be its reciprocal. So 24 over 5 is equal to the difference of the two numbers. So the equation that we will be having for this particular problem is x minus, because we're talking about the difference, 1 over x equals the answer, which is 24 over 5. And at this point, we're looking for this x. Okay, we're looking for that. Okay? So, for the solution, okay, since it is a rational algebraic equation, it has a denominator of involving x. So, paano ba kumuha ng LCD ng x and 5? To get the LCD of the x and 5, just simply multiply the two. We have 5 times x. Or, should I say, get the highest number? What is the highest number here? So, let's say this is 1. 1, and the x has a number 1 and 5. The highest number is 5. Now, let's look for the letter x. Meron bang x ito? May x ba ito? Wala. So, the highest degree of variable is x raised to 1 or x itself. So, we have 5x. 5x ngayon ang ating magiging LCD. Okay? Then after that, going here in this portion, so we have 5x squared. Paano nakuha yung 5x squared? So, I think, hindi muna nyo nilagay. So, ganito ang gawin natin. Pagsasamahin natin ang 5x at x, so we have 5x, and then, yung x na meron tayo sa equation. Ito yan, 5x at saka x. Minus, pagsasamahin natin ang 5x at 1. So, we have 5x and then 1. And then, meron siyang over, which is x, di ba? And then, equals. So, still, nandito pa rin tayo. So, pagsasamahin natin ng 5x at 24. So, we have 5x and then 24. Okay? All over 5. Alright. For this portion, 5x times x is 5x squared. Okay? We will add the exponent 1 plus 1 is 2. minus, okay, 5x times 1 is equal to 5x all over x equals 5x times 24 or over 5. So, nireting niya dito, no? So, okay lang. At after natin magawa iyon, ika-cancel natin yung sa denominator na mayroon sa numerator. So, yung x, meron siyang x sa numerator. So, pwede natin i-cancel yan kasi x divided by x is 1. Okay? And 1 times 5 is 5. And then just copy the sign negative. So, here, we have 5x squared equals 24. Then 5, 5. So, yung mayroon sa denominator na 5 ay mayroon ding 5 sa numerator. So, we can cancel that because 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 24 is 24 and then just copy x. So, ito na siya. Okay? And then, ililipat natin si 24. So, we will have 5x squared minus 24. When you transpose number, you change the sign. Okay? So, we have negative 24 from positive 24 minus 5 equals 0. And then, we will factor out this one. So, what is the factors of 5x squared minus 24x minus 5? So, you create 5, open and close parenthesis, and then separate 5x squared. So we have 5x and x, because 5x times x is 5x squared. For the 5, think a number or the factors of negative 5. And we only have one factor for 5, that is 1 times 5. 1 times 5. And then who will be the negative? Kasi meron tayong negative, so ibig sabihin, they don't have the same sign. Yung 1, pwede siyang negative or positive, or yung 5, pwede siyang negative or positive. Ibig sabihin, they don't have the same sign. So, ano magiging basis natin? Yung gitna. Ano ba yung gitna? Negative. So, yung negative, siya yung sign ng biggest number. Ano yung mas malaki? 5 or 1? 5. That's why, nasa 5 yung negative. At positive naman, si 1. Check natin. 1 times x, that is 1x. Next, 5x times negative 5. That is negative 25x. Okay. They don't have the same sign, so we will subtract these two. 1 minus 25 is negative 24. We follow the sign of the biggest number, which is 25. So that is negative 24, and then just copy x. So, our factors for this equation, 5x squared minus 24x minus 5 equals 0, is correct. Alright, so we have this one. We have the factors 5x plus 1 and x minus 5. So we will transpose 1, and it will become negative 1. So, okay, bigyan natin siya ng magandang solution sa taas. So, we have 5x, okay, plus 1, I think, equals 0. Alright. So, ililipat natin ito. So, it will become 5x, alright, equals negative 1. Alright. And then, i-divide natin both sides by 5. So, we will divide 5 and then 5 for this portion. So, we can now cancel this. And this will become x equals negative 1 over 5. So, ganito siya nakuha. Okay? For this portion, we will just transpose negative 5. It will become positive 5. Okay? So, either sa dalawang yan, pwede silang maging value ni x. Okay? Para makuha natin yung 24 over 5. Okay? So, that's all about for the rational algebraic equation. So, we have another problem here. So, solving a work problem. So, it's still, we are on the topic about solving a rational algebraic expression. So, we have an experienced roofer can roof a house in 26 hours. A beginner needs 39 hours to do the job. How long will it take if the two roofers work together? Okay, so we're looking for the the hours when the two roofers o yung gumagawa no ng roof work together kasi daw yung experience yung magaling na gumawa ng roof ay kaya niyang matapos yung roof ng bahay ng 26 hours. Pero yung beginner 39 hours. So kung magsasama silang dalawa, gaano katagal bago nila matapos yung roof ng bahay. So understand, read and reread the problem by using the times for each roofer to complete the job alone. We can figure out their corresponding work rates in portion of the job done per hour. So, for the experienced roofer, this is the time in hour. Di ba, kaya niyang tapusin ng 26. For the portion, we have job over hours. So, for 1 over 26 hour. Because we have one job, right? One job for this one. For the beginner, we have, I think there's something missing here. This is 1. Okay? So, we have 39. So, that is portion of job over hours. So, 1 over 39. And together, they work. We don't know gaano sila katagal. We can just represent it by letter T or letter X if you want. And again, job over hours, so 1 over T. We put 1 here because we are talking about one job, and that is putting the roof in the house. On the house, no? So 1 over T siya dito naman. So this is the representation now of the job over hour of the experienced roofer and the beginner roofer and if they work together. Okay, now, paano naman siya isolve ngayon? So, to translate, since the rate of the two roofers working together will be equal to the sum of the rates of the two roofers working independently. Kung mag-work sila together, ibig sabihin, kung mag-add sila, they will work together kasi, mean to say, you will add them. That is the equation that will represent the two. So, we have 1 over 26 plus 1 over 39 equals 1 over t. Okay? Ito yung result. Kumbaga, ito yung result na kapag sila ay nag-work together, ito yung magiging hours na lang na kanilang tatabahuin. Okay? So, 1 over 26 for the experience and 1 over 39 for the new roofer, yung bago lang, no? Okay, so how to solve this one? To solve, we have this one, and then we need to get, okay, the LCD first of the numbers here. Okay, so LCD of the denominators. Our denominators are 26, 39, and T. So wala na tayong choice sa T kasi isa lang siya, so we will put T here. So paano naman nakuha yung 78? Let's see. Okay, so let's see that we have 26 here and we have 39. Okay, ang target natin is maging 1 yung dalawang yan. Ito yung process ng pagkuha ng LCD. Okay, yung 36 saan siya divisible na pareho si 9? I think 13. Pwede silang i-divide by 13, right? Because 26 26 divided by 13 is 2. And 39 divided by 13 is 3. And then, hindi pa tapos yan kasi kailangan maging 1 pareho yan. So, we have 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 2 divided by 3 cannot be, so just put it here. Okay. 3, ayan, maglagay tayo ng 3 dito. 3 divided 3, ilan? 1. So, ito, wala na tayong pakialam dyan kasi 1 na siya. So, 1. So, ang target natin maging 1 pareho lahat yan. So, okay na tayo doon. Since nakuha na natin yung lahat yan, naging 1 na lahat, pwede na tayo mag-solve. So, 2 times 3 is 6 times 13 is equal to 78. So, that is the LCD of the number 26 and 39. Okay, hindi na natin pinakialam to, though meron pa yan kasi na 1 dito, di ba? May 1 siya kasi may 1 yung t, pero again, 1 din naman yung magiging result niya. So, okay lang. So, we have 78. That's why 78 yung nalagay dito. And then yung t, and it's the only t that we have here. We don't have any other t squared or t cubed here. So, okay. Now, after that, okay, pwede na tayo mag-solve for this particular example. Okay, paano nakuha si 3t plus 2t equals 78. So, ganito lang kadali yan. Okay? 78 divided by 26. And that is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And then, copy letter T. 39. 78 divided by 39 is 2. Okay? Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then copy letter T equals. We have 78 T divided by T. Since 1 lang yan, 78 yung answers. And meron tayong dalawang T, so we can cancel the 2T. So we have 78 times 1 is equal to 78. Other way ng pagsasolve nito ay ganito. Just write 78 T over 26. Kumbaga, i-multiply natin siya sa 1 because 78t times 1 is 78t plus 78t times 1 is 78t over 39 equals 78t over t. Alright, so this one, 78, divide mo siya ng 26 is 3, and then copy t. 78, divide mo siya ng 39 is 2, and then copy t, equals 78t divide t, so we can cancel these 2. So, matitira 78. So, ganun lang siya. Okay? And then, 3t plus 2t is 5t equals 78. And then, divide the 2. Okay? Divide 5t by itself. So, we have 5t divide by 5 para ma-cancel natin. Cancel. Alright. So, we have 78 over 5, our answer, or in short, this is 15.6 hours. So, we have 15.6 hours as the time if magwo-work together yung ating mga workers or roofers. Okay? Kung magwo-work sila together, kaya nilang tapusin yung bahay, yung roof ng bahay in just 15.6 hours. So, check. We substitute the value we found from the proportion calculation back into the problem. So, we have 1 over 26 plus 1 over 39 equals 1 over 78 over 5. So, we have 3 over 78 plus 2 over 78 equals 5 over 78. So, kinuha lang yung LCD kanina. So, yung LCD nito, 26 and 39 is 78 both. Diba? 78 divide 26 is 3 and 78 divide 39 is 2 times 1 is 2 equals this one, ang ginawa is kinuha yung reciprocal niya. So that naging 5 over 78 times 1 and that is 5 over 78. So the answer is true because 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have 5 over 78 equals 5 over 78. The roofers will take 15.6 hours working together to finish the job. So that's all about for the problem solving involving rational algebraic equations. With that, thank you very much for listening.